Hello you guys, welcome back. If you're new here and you do not know who I am, you can call me Toya. I am a lash artist slash waxologist out in Utah. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a room slash salon tour setup. My setup will be in a hyperlapse. May I remind you that this video was filmed, I would say in November-ish. So my routine that I have now is totally different. If you do want to see my new routine, go ahead and comment down below. I have a more efficient way of taking my stuff from the salon to home, a little bit more easier and a little bit more less luggage and stuff that I have to travel around. I did want to kind of catch up with you guys too, since I have not posted on here for 2 months now. I apologize. I have been going through some family issues, plus I've been working on myself, and I do have some exciting news. I don't want to say too much yet, but I am planning on filming it and sharing it with you guys. So I'm super excited. I've really been busy the last 2 months. I think this video would be nice to go up since pretty much it's just a voiceover and I didn't have to do too much editing. But what I'm doing now to bring my stuff to Salon, obviously if you have watched my waxing video or my lash haul videos, everything that I'm using in this video, I still pretty much have today. I did choose to go other routes with with product lines and things like that. But I do have a salon, or excuse me, I do have a lash cart video that I'm going to be posting here very, very soon that I'm very excited about, organization and all. My waxing cart, I've already pretty much showed you that in my waxing haul video, and literally nothing has changed except for just adding a few more things, because I have added vajacials to my service, and I did have to make room to keep like those supplies and everything like that. If you do want to see my lash cart video again, just comment down below and we can go through detail by detail showing you everything that's on my lash cart, or on my waxing cart, excuse me. And then I plan on doing the same for my lash cart. So everything that I'm tugging along to the salon, I'm tugging it in the big O tote. The big O tote really got played out. I am no longer carrying the big O tote to Salon. I actually am keeping everything on my cart, so I actually have 2 trolley carts now, and I have organized them and revamped them to where I can keep everything on my cart. As you can see in the hyperlapse, I'm pretty much doing what every other individual should do. I'm sanitizing everything before I even set up my things. I'm making sure that the floor is swept, that everything is clean and nice, everything is ready to go for my appointment. I always look at my books beforehand to know what I'm going to be doing that day and such things. Everything on my cart that I take to the salon, I make sure that I always have enough of it so I never run out. You never want to run out of product, guys, in the middle of a service. I have done that once and it is not good. So I always highly recommend not to really have extra, just to make sure that you are prepared for the worst case scenario. There's really not too much of setting up. It takes me about, I would say, 15 minutes to set up a service, and that includes turning on my wax pot. So the first thing that I do when I get to the salon, I turn on my wax pot. That's the number one thing, especially if you have your first wax appointment is a wax. Turn on your wax pot. You do not want a client coming in and your wax is not ready. It's gonna especially if it's your first appointment. It's totally going to make your whole day behind, and that's just something that you don't want to deal with, and it's going to make your client upset as well, because she might, you know, have somewhere to be at a certain time, and time is everything. So as you can see in here, I'm just giving like a little tour of what it looks like after, you know, I usually set up. From the looks of the bed, it looks like I do have a waxing client. I do use the paper for my waxing clients, and then I do use my soft little furry rug thingy for my lash clients. Now I am going to be doing an official salon tour of showing the whole salon, which I am very blessed to work here. The owners here are seriously outstanding. Everyone here is just so nice and generous, and I seriously just love working here. It is my second home. Every time I'm here, it's always good vibes, and I just appreciate everybody and everything that the salon has to offer for me. I am going to show in a hyperlapse at the end of the video, basically taking everything down, but there's really not much to it. Just to make sure that, you know, you're always generous and that you're always picking up after yourself. Everything's clean, everything's nice and ready to go for the next person. Okay, you guys, so I showed you my room, so we're going to actually tour the salon. So this side is the salon side. I do not work on this side, but I do come over here for the break room. But everyone's station's so cute. We got nail stations, we got hair stations. I believe this is a restroom. And then we got our shampoo bowls over here. And then we have another entrance, and then this is kind of like the break room slash, you know, our getaway room, I guess. I'm like freezing, guys. Sorry if it sounds like I'm cold, but I am. So I just got done for the day. Actually, everybody's gone. I'm usually the last one to leave on Saturday, so that's why nobody's here. This is actually our spray bed. So this is the spray room. And then we'll come around to this side. So this is a tanning salon. So we do have our beds in here. So here's room 3. Here's room 1. And then we actually have one more, which is room 2. We have 3 tanning beds. And then here's our front desk area. And then this is another room, private room. This one has a nail station in it. Super cute. And then we come over here to this room, another private room with the massage bed. This used to be my old room, and I felt it was a little bit crowded, so I ended up switching rooms. But this used to be my old room. We got this little area right here. We have another restroom right here. All the decor is so cute in here. And then we have another private room, room 6. This one has a massage bed in it. Super cute decor in here. So cute.
And then we have another area right here, but this one obviously is not private. We have this area. So this whole area is the area that I stay in because my room is right there. So as you guys seen earlier in the video, there's my room. And then there's also another room next to me. Super cute. That is another private room with a bed. And then of course we have our teeth whitening station right here. And then in that little area right there is where we have the washer and dryer and brooms and etc. So that is the salon tour.